Good day, everyone. Today I'm gonna tackle about the rights versus privilege and the moral right versus legal right. So, a privilege is an entitlement to immunity granted by the state or another authority to a restricted group on a conditional basis. So, this privilege is something that can be given and taken away, that is considered to be a special advantage or opportunity to those available only for a certain group of people. So, for example of this privilege is by getting a driver's license. So, by getting the driver's license, it is necessary to take the exam first. So, sa paggawa sa driver's license, naadyo yung mga process na ang ayong sundon. And not all people can get driver's license because one of the reason is dili ka pasar, dili ka afford o kuwang sa requirements. So, those granted the privilege is those people na met ang certain condition, which is nakapasar, sakto ang pagbayad o complete requirements. On the other hand, a right is an inherent, irrevocable entitlement held by the citizens or all human beings from the moment of birth. So this right is something that cannot be legally denied, something that cannot be taken away, such as freedom to speak, we are free to choose our own religion, and we are free to raise our own family. And also, we as a people, we are free to speak. We are free to share our own opinions, our own feelings, our own ideas. So walay moingon na to nga bawal ka mo share og opinions bahinani. Because sukat po panganak pa lang nato na natay rights. Now let's proceed to moral right versus legal right. So moral rights are rights accorded under some system of ethics. So this moral rights is justified or motivated by moral arguments. These are the moral standards na gi-acknowledge sa people. For example is, we as a people, we are different, we have a different of perception, perspective, and standards when it comes to the bad and the good thing. So for me, lying is a bad thing for me because nagpakita kag pagaway respeto sa usa ka tawo. So another so there's also a consequences sa pagpamaka. It's either magabaan ka or di na kanila katuhan. Another example of moral rights is right to be have a good life, right to be respected with dignity. On the other hand, legal rights are people's rights under some legal system granted by the government or any duly constituted authority. So these legal rights are articulated by legal codes and enforced by various legal institutions. For example of this is kaning legal rights mao ni ang rights nato as a people as Filipino citizen nga gigamit gikan sa gobyerno, as well as these rights is also protect us. For example is like you have your own property or house, then you saw someone or you saw stranger na nangingsod sa imong balay without asking permission, without knowing the owner o unsay tuyo. So naa kay karapatan or rights na idemanda or ikiha siya for trespassing. Since nabalaod nga igama sa gobyerno na no trespassing, di ka mapatakataka sod sa usa ka pamilya or property nga dili ikaw ang tagiya or wala kay palahin. So that's all. Thank you.